Hey, welcome back to Detail Planet. Today we're going to teach you how to clean your mats, whether it's your stock rubber mats or aftermarket rubber mats or laser measured WeatherTechs or Tux mats. We're going to use our black Scorpion degreaser, our mat restore, and our complete interior. First thing we're going to do is make sure to get as much of the debris off of these mats as we can. We've done that prior. We've brushed them off and shaken them out. What we're going to do is we're going to take our black Scorpion, we're going to spray it on the mat here. We're going to take our drill brush and spray some on the drill brush. And clean her up. All right, so once you're finished with the drill brush, you're going to rinse them off. We're going to use our pump spray bottle. All right, so once you rinse that mat off, you're going to take your drying towel. Now you can let these air dry naturally and then give them a quick wipe after. You can blow dry them if you have a blow dryer. It doesn't really matter. They don't have to be perfectly dry to use our mat restorer. We just want to get most of the water off. Using a towel also gives us an opportunity to try to get into some of these crevices we couldn't rinse off or the drill brush didn't get down into. You can also use a hand brush. You don't have to use a drill brush. We just find drill brush to be the easiest option. So you're going to give it a quick dry here with these mats. As they look super black after you have washed them and cleaned them up, but when you let them dry all the way to dry, they go back to a little gray, and that's what the mat restore is really all about. It so we want to keep that beautiful black finish that they naturally have, keep that looking amazing. So here we are, we're mostly dry. You can see here it's already starting to gray out a bit where it's been very dry. So put our towel off to the side here. Now we're going to take our mat restore, green flag tip brush, same idea. We're going to spray some product on the mat, spray some on the brush, and then just work it in. Again, the beauty of these brushes, they have these nice long bristles. They can get in all the little crevices. Make sure we spread the stuff out quickly and efficiently. Okay, we really just want to make sure when we're done, we're going to take a towel here, give it a quick wipe. The goal here is we don't want any transfer onto our shoes or the pedals of the car or anything like that. I want to make sure we're being super careful. So I'm going to give it a quick wipe. And we're going to go back to it with our complete interior. And again, that just makes sure that we're not having any issues of transfer of product onto our shoes or pedals. So just a quick spray like that. Again, take a towel, wipe it all off. Nice, clean, new looking WeatherTech mat. Be sure to check our next video. Thanks for watching.